Excel is the unsung hero of business, transforming tedious tasks into efficient workflows. In 2025, automation is revolutionizing Excel, making it a powerhouse for error-free data management and analysis. Automating Excel tasks saves hours, reduces costs, and boosts accuracy. It eliminates repetitive tasks, ensuring data consistency and freeing up time for high-impact projects. Automation scales effortlessly, adapting to any dataset size. You don't need coding skills to automate Excel. Start by mapping repetitive tasks, setting data guardrails, and enabling real-time alerts. These steps transform Excel into a productivity machine, handling tedious tasks seamlessly. Excel offers built-in and external automation methods. Record task sequences as VBA code, use data validation rules, or automate with pivot tables. Third-party tools like Microsoft Power Automate and Zapier provide no-code solutions for complex workflows. Microsoft Power Automate and Zapier are standout tools for Excel automation. Power Automate integrates with Microsoft 365, offering AI features. Zapier connects Excel to over 7,000 apps, creating flexible workflows. These tools make automation accessible and scalable, modernizing your data management.